Akiaria na ceceni ya Kameme na njira ya mwanya, Mwangi niugite matacukitie makinya maya niguo gutigirira aria meyandikithitie na ruhonge ruru ni magunika uria kwagirire mateguthinika.
Hau kabere andu turameraga macagure thibitari ciao no riu ni twauga ati no uthie thibitari yothe so long as thibitari iyo ni twina agreement nao ya kuheana services icio.
O Mwangi niugite ni manyitanire na anyitite miruhonge-ini ruru niguo gutigirira mitaratara ni wagacira na muingi ni wamukira utungata wa urigitani mukinyaniru.
Haria twagarurira no outpatient na twagarurira uria turarihaga thibitari nigetha tuhe members yitu uhuthu wa ku access services icio.
Akiri hinde-ini o riu mwandiki mukaru wa ngwataniro ya thibitari cia andu kiumbe Timothy Olweni neugite ni marathie na mbere kwariria maundu matiganite niguo gutigirira mathina maria mangiyumiria kurumirira mutaratara ni mahota kung'ethanirwo namo.
The appeal we would like to make as members of the Kenya Association of Private Hospitals is that this service protects greatly from catastrophic events. I'm sure most of you have had in many occasions to raise money for some of your members to go abroad for treatment.
We also want to explore the details of what they had in mind in terms of effecting this change, and that we've had a fruitful discussion and that is ongoing. We'd like to see what the implications are in terms of care provided to members, because we want to also appreciate and know whether it is realistic for us as healthcare providers for us to give the same benefits with a new payment mechanism.
Kuhitukira mutaratara uyu andu aria mari na kandi ya NHIF nimekuhota gutungatirwo thibitari-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini. Mugaru na hau kabere kuria kurari no muhaka mundu o wothe angirakorirwo eyandikithitie na thibitari imwe niguo akorwo akiamukira utungata wa NHIF. Riu ni uhoro mwega amu mundu o wothe ni arikoragwo akiingira thibitari o yothe na kwamukira utungata angikorwo thibitari yo ni ikiranire kandarathi na ruhonge rwa NHIF. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV, nie Geto Wanjiru wa Njuguna.